Flash flood warning in effect for sections of Jamaica according to the Met Service. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Meteorological Service of Jamaica is reporting that due to the heavy rains being produced over the country by a tropical wave, a flash flood warning is now in effect for low-lying and flood-prone areas of central and eastern parishes. In a release, the Met Service said that flash flooding has already been observed at some location. And since the release was sent out, there are reports of major flooding on Marcus Garvey Drive in St. Andrew. The police have since advised members of the public that the eastbound section of Marcus Garvey Drive is impossible due to high volume of water on the roadway.
Given way, and this is now the road and everything is going into the sea.
Yeah, shut down, we shut them now. Blow it. I think the bus will pass it for us. Watch it, and the bus a big vehicle. The bus, yeah, that's it.
Motorists are being advised to use alternative routes at present. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.